Welcome. In this video, we will explore McKinsey's 7S model, a powerful framework for understanding and improving organizational effectiveness. The 7S model provides a holistic view of an organization, focusing on 7 key internal elements that need to align for success. Think of an organization as a living system, constantly adapting and changing. Understanding this dynamic nature is crucial. Organizations face challenges of change, efficiency, and consistency. The 7S model offers a way to address these challenges holistically. Created at McKinsey & Company in the 1980s, the 7S model serves as a tool for diagnosis, change management, and performance analysis. Developed by Robert Waterman, Tom Peters, and Julian Phillips, this model revolutionized how we think about organizational effectiveness. The model is used for diagnosing problems, managing change, analyzing performance, and aligning various elements within an organization. The 7S model includes both hard and soft elements. Hard elements are tangible, while soft elements are more about culture and people. Hard S's include strategy, structure, and systems. These are easier to identify and modify, but are not sufficient on their own. Soft S's are shared values, style, staff, and skills. They are harder to identify and change, but are critical for success and lasting change. Let's delve deeper into the soft elements. These are often the heart of organizational culture and success. Shared values form the core, style represents leadership and culture, staff refers to people, and skills are the organization's competencies. Now let's explore the hard S's, which are more tangible and easier to define within an organization. Strategy sets direction, structure defines roles, and systems manage processes. All three must align to achieve strategic goals. The main idea of the 7S model is relationship and coherence. All 7 elements must work together harmoniously. Changing one element affects the others. Effectiveness is achieved when there is harmony among all elements. Analyzing an organization with the 7S model involves several key steps. Let's walk through them. First, determine the current state of each of the 7 S's. Then, determine the desired state according to the strategy. Identify inconsistencies between the current and desired states, and develop an action plan to reconcile those gaps. Let's look at an example of how the 7S model can be applied to analyze a real organization. Consider a rapidly growing startup facing challenges due to its strategy outgrowing its structure and systems. Now, it's your turn. Let's analyze your own context using the 7S model. Select an organization or team, briefly describe its strategy, and describe the current state of each of the 7S elements. After your analysis, reflect on what you've learned and what insights you've gained about the organization. How does this 7S model change your understanding of organizations? Where else can this approach be applied? The 7S model is a comprehensive tool for analyzing organizations, including both hard and soft elements. The key to organizational effectiveness is the coordination of all 7 elements. It's a powerful tool for problem diagnosis and change management. Let's put this into practice. Analyze your team/department using the 7S model. Describe key inconsistencies you observed and share your insights in the comments. Engage with others' comments and invite colleagues to try 7S.